big geyser here. This road is pretty flooded. See this dude walking across. The water is just flowing. And you see the other manhole cover across the way, and then there's one. You see one kind of way in the distance there. You see another little. Anyways. Like a motherfucker. There's a manhole cover that has just been blown away. And you see these row homes, their basements are completely flooded. I mean, there's just water. There's water rushing down this alleyway here. It's like a river.